Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to pin posts on X. Okay, so let's go to your X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now in this side menu, as you can see, you have many sections. You want to go to section your profile. Now on your profile you want to find a specific post that you want to pin, and next to it let's tap three-dot button and select option pin to your profile, and of course confirm that you really want to do it by tapping pin button. And as you can see, it instantly appears at the top of my page with this small label pinned on it, which basically indicates that you have successfully pinned a post on X platform. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.